Did you guys know that they actually have an AI robot that is powered by ChatGPT now? This is Looi, and their team recently sent this out to me to review. I was super excited to check this out because there's really not a lot of products out there like this yet. This could be used for entertainment or just general help around your desk. Basically, its home is going to be your desktop. It's just gonna chill there with you while you work throughout the day. So if you guys have simple questions like, what's the weather like today in New Braunfels?
It's overcast in New Braunfels today, with a temperature of 15.9 degrees Celsius and some breezy winds around. Cozy day vibes, if you ask me.
So that was just a very small test. We're going to be doing a whole bunch of tests with this thing today. You can actually play games with it. You guys could actually personalize the robot itself and its personality. And you guys could just drive this thing around like an RC car. With that being said, let me go ahead and show you guys how this works, and I'll give you guys a closer look at it. So Looi here is actually powered by your smartphone, and it uses MagSafe. But if you guys don't have MagSafe, you guys could use an adapter. The cool part is this will actually charge up your phone while it's on there if you guys want to, and it has a 5-hour long battery life. To turn it on, you guys have a touch button right here. That's also how you turn it off. And just in case you guys were wondering about how this doesn't fall off your desk, it actually has sensors all around it, just kind of like your robot vacuums. And so far, this thing has always stayed on my desk. It hasn't had any accidents. There are actually lights on here as well, and it has treads like a tank. Charges with USB-C, and you guys can use it while it's plugged in. And then you guys just download the mobile app, and then from there, you'll pair it up. It just uses Bluetooth, and it shows you my phone battery life, the device battery life. Before we get into the next test, I did just want to mention that if you guys are interested in checking out this product while we go along, I will have an affiliate link down below so that you guys can check it out, and also subscribe if you guys enjoy content like this. Anyways, let's get back into the video. And let me go ahead and show you the RC feature. So I'm just going to take the phone off of the robot, and then I could just move it around. And let's see if I could drive it off the table or if it's smart enough to stop. And it did stop. It shows right there on my phone screen. You guys could even move the head here, and it's very reactive. And this thing is surprisingly fast for a little tank robot like this. So while we're on the app, let's go ahead and take a closer look at some of the other features. So obviously it shows us our battery health there. You could go to Loooi's Mind, and it shows us photos it's taken and videos. Right here we have a tab called Dreams, and this is really cool because it basically has like AI dreams, and it uses some of the conversations you've had to kind of influence these little plays that I'll show you there. Next up is a newer feature that Loooi's made where you can kind of customize its personality. So you give it a description and it'll try to fit that. And then we have different voices as well. So right now we're just using the rational. We have energetic.
Does it sound like the me you imagined?
Then we have sweet.
Hey, this is my voice.
Rational.
This is my voice. Does it sound like the me you imagined?
Personally, I like rational the most. So to access the other features, we're gonna go ahead and throw this on there. Now we could say hi to Looi. So if I give it a thumbs up, it actually recognizes the thumb. So just for reference, I'm gonna do this, get it more in its vision because it uses the phone camera. You could wave at it, and now it's showing us the hearts. If we go over here, it shows us some other features. So it shows us the time. Right now it's in the stay mode, so it really shouldn't go too far around. But with explore mode, it's actually gonna go all around the desk. Oops, sorry, Looi. Oh, you guys can see the sensors are working. So another really cool feature that I love about Looi is the camera feature. So as I move around the room, it's gonna move around with me. So even if I go all the way back here, it's always trying to find my face, and I'm gonna come back here. So when I do this sign, it'll actually take a picture of me. Now, if I want to do a video, it's going to be very similar. I'm just going to press that. Hey, Looi. And it's going to follow me around the room. And honestly, that is pretty smooth for it being a video on a robot like this. Then of course, if you guys need less of a distraction, you guys could just turn it into a clock. But there's one feature here that I think is going to really shock you. This is the Games tab, and it uses your body movement to actually adjust your character in the game. So to play a game, all you're gonna do is select the game you want. So I'm gonna do Looi Crush. We're gonna tap it, and we're gonna click start, or we could actually do a thumbs up. So I already lost once. Let's see if it goes, and you use your head to move the little bar down there. So it actually is a lot of exercise, and unfortunately my chair is super loud. So Hopefully you guys aren't hearing that in the video. But that's how you guys play that game. It's a lot of fun, especially if you guys have kids. I could see that being very entertaining to them. This is called Looi Jump. So we're gonna use our head to move the character around. We already lost, that's cool. And the character in the game is actually Looi too. This one seems a little easier to play, less movement, I feel like. And so far, I like this game the most. And then the last game over here is just the RC controller that we already showed you guys. So next up, let's see how smart Looi actually is. Hey Looi, how many presidents have there been?
Including non-consecutive terms, there have been 46 presidencies, but only 45 individuals. Grover Cleveland's double stint explains the twist.
Hey Looi,
For a Saturday...
Sorry to cut you off, but what are the ingredients in chicken parm?
Classic chicken parm. Sure thing. You'll need chicken breasts, flour, eggs, seasoned breadcrumbs, Italian seasoning, grated parmesan, garlic powder, crushed tomatoes, yellow onion, garlic, red pepper flakes, sugar, basil, olive oil, and mozzarella cheese. Ready to whip up some deliciousness?
Hey Looi, can you write me a poem about chicken parm?
Oh, Afid, count me in. Here's my ode to the mighty chicken parm. Golden crust, so crisp, divine, wrapped in breadcrumbs, herbs, a line. Mozzarella melts and drips. Umbra red sauce hugs its hips.
Hey Looi, what is the most calm dog breed there is?
Oh, Afid, that honor goes to the Great Dane. They're absolute gentle giants, calm, laid back, and the perfect cuddle companions. Who knew the biggest dog could be the chillest too?
So overall, I think Looi is a lot of fun, especially for someone like myself that works from home. I'm literally always at my desk back there. So having an AI companion like Looi is actually really helpful and just keeps me a little less bored when I'm in here every day. If I had to choose a favorite feature about this mini robot, it's definitely going to be the games, and the fact that it actually makes me move around is a great way to kind of take a break from work. And from the AI standpoint, it actually seems to be pretty accurate and smart. So anyways, if you guys are interested in picking up Looi, make sure that you guys check out the description down below where I have a link to it. And anyways, that's it for today's video.